Guys, it's a new video about the TikTok application, and right now I will show you how to choose another translation language on this app. So first and foremost, let's open the TikTok. Guys, we are on the profile page, but after we need to go to the settings. Let's click on this three lines icon at the corner of the screen and go to the settings option. Later, guys, we have to choose the language feature, and we have the specific section translation language, and as you can check here, we have in the description that right now we will choose the language that we will like to have videos translated into. Guys, also this language will translate on this language will be translated comments. So let's click on the settings, please, and let's set some language we want to set, for example this one, and click on the done. So guys, from now on this language will be activated and you with no troubles can change, for example, to translate the description. You will go to the comment section and translate some comment. So guys, you can choose your native language in this section and use the TikTok applications without any borders. And I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful, interesting, and I hope for likes, guys. Don't forget to like our video below. Don't forget to check our other guides on the YouTube to find more tricks and secret options of TikTok and other apps. And thank you for watching. Bye guys, bye bye.